massive amount of over 334 million tons of carbon dioxide is released into the atmosphere each year by cars alone. These large amounts of carbon dioxide are not only affecting the environment, but people as well. Air pollution killed nearly 3.5 million people in the year 2015 alone. The amount of vehicle pollution per year is constantly growing at a rate that will cause around 6.6 million deaths a year by 2050. Air pollution also directly affects global warming. Greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide and methane are part of the reason the Earth's temperature is increasing. To help solve this problem, landscape architects are beginning to strategically design cities with the feeling of a city within a forest instead of a forest within a city. Trees are able to remove some air pollution by uptake via the leaf stomata. Once the polluted particles are inside the leaf, they begin to diffuse and be absorbed by water films to create acids. However, the majority of the polluted particles are retained on the surface of the plant. A healthy forest is one that is able to sustain species that exist within it, which the majority of forests in Chicago succeed in doing so. A healthy forest in a polluted area, like Chicago, is essential in assisting with the pollution. The ozone season, which runs from April to October, is a period of about 6 months when the air we breathe has the highest concentration of pollution. In Chicago specifically, an organization called the CCAP, or the Chicago Climate Action Plan, is dedicated to influencing Chicagoans to reduce our transportation impact, along with making our homes more energy efficient and reducing overall waste. As Ian Shears says,
"We need to act now. We need to be planting more trees. The best time to plant a tree is 20 years ago. The second best time is right now."
Overall, Chicago currently ranks number 19 in the U.S. for most polluted cities, and one of the best things we can do to change this is improve our urban forests. An example of this is at Eden Place Nature Center. It's a
urban farm right in the middle of the city.
Trees are so important to the environment. They clean up the pollution and the emissions that humans put into the atmosphere, and they put back out good, fresh oxygen for us to breathe.
They're located on the south side, and it just goes to show, just like North Park Nature Center, that Chicago is beginning to become a city within a forest.